Hi, welcome to Ellie's Bites, and today I'm going to show you a really simple recipe to get some lovely crispy potatoes all ready for your barbecue. And you can use this literally for not just barbecue but anything that you want to do, and I've been doing this for absolutely ages. Okay, so dead easy. Just bring this water to the boil. Got some salt in there, and what I've done is I've chopped up these potatoes and kept the skin on. And what I'm going to do, just like what you would do your roast potatoes at Christmas, I'm going to parboil these first of all. So just wait for this to come in the boil, and then as you can dice them as small or as large as you want to. I sometimes make wedges this way as well. So we're going to get that to the boil, and then we're going to fry them. So keep watching and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so that's coming nicely to the boil, and I love with the Cadac this handy little windshield. Obviously it is the lid, but it's an excellent windshield and it's come to the boil really quickly. So we're going to pour in those potatoes now. Okay, so in the bowl, I'm just going to let these boil until they are certainly not soft, but just so that they're reasonably firm, so then we can drain the water and then gently stir fry them. And I put the shield back over just to keep, it's not windy, but just to get that heat going around just a little bit quicker. So these have been boiling for about 3 minutes now, 3 to 4 minutes, and they're just, see the fork is just going in there, so they are ready and we can move to the next step. Great stuff. So what I've done is I've drained them obviously, and I'm not going to put them into the oil just yet. I'm going to let them dry for about 3 to 4 minutes, just so they don't go soggy when they go into the oil. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to mix some West Indian sauce and some Mayo together, just to make a little bit of a Cajun sort of dipping sauce, and that's dead easy to make. So that's in the bowl now, and I'm just going to give it a good whisk up. There you go. And just transfer that into a nice serving dish as well. Okay, so I have put some olive oil into the frying pan, and now that those are lovely and drained, those potatoes, I'm going to pop them into the oil and give them a bit of a stir. And what I'm going to do, so they're not just a boring pan of potatoes, I am going to add some paprika and some chili flakes, and I'm also going to make a little sort of Cajun sauce to go with them as well. Okay, so in goes the paprika. It's a smoked paprika. It's not hot by any means. I'm just going to give the potatoes that lovely smoky taste. Okay, and I would say that they are about done. They've been on there again about 4 minutes. I'm going to set them off, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain the oil off as well. So here you go. And there they are. Lovely golden, lovely crispy, all ready for the barbecue.